Hello, everyone. Welcome back. And today we've got a delicious and healthy snack recipe for you. We're going to make crispy and flavorful carrot chips. These are a great alternative to regular potato chips and are perfect for satisfying those crunchy cravings. So let's jump right in and make some carrot chips. For this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: 4 to 5 large carrots, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, optional for added flavor, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, optional. Before we get started, make sure to wash and peel the carrots. If you prefer to leave the skin on for added texture and nutrition, that's totally fine. Now let's preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Take your peeled carrots and carefully slice them into thin rounds, as thin as you can manage. You can use a sharp knife or a mandolin slicer for this. The thinner the slices, the crispier the chips will be. In a large bowl, add the carrot slices. To season them, drizzle 2 tablespoons of olive oil and add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and any optional seasonings like paprika or garlic powder. Now give it all a good toss to ensure the carrot slices are evenly coated with the seasonings and olive oil. Place the seasoned carrot slices on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. Make sure they are spread out in a single layer to ensure even cooking. Now pop these into the preheated oven and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they're golden brown and crispy. You may need to flip them over halfway through to ensure they cook evenly. And here we have it, our delicious homemade carrot chips. They're golden brown, crispy, and packed with flavor. Once they're out of the oven, let them cool for a few minutes to become even crispier. Then you can serve them with your favorite dip or enjoy them on their own. These carrot chips are a fantastic and healthy snack for everyone. So there you have it, a simple and healthy recipe for homemade carrot chips. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more delicious recipes and food inspiration, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.